Oh my god. Ow. Just got hit with a barrel. That's a fridge. That's a table. Oh no.
That's a table. I'm okay.
Fridge. Shipping container. Ow. Dude. Why are there so many shipping containers? I swear to God.
Humble Shedletsky tries to comfort Noob after getting hit by a shipment container and gets hit themselves. Canon.
That's
Con
a barrel.
4K Ultra.
I just got hit with the fridge. Shedletsky, I just got... Dude, Dude, I got a freaking fridge to the freaking dome. Dude, I got a... To the dome, the back of...
a shipping container to the back of my dome. Oh no.
Oh my god! Dude! Last words from Shedletsky. Oh no. Oh my god.
I'm okay. I fell off my bed a little bit, but that's okay.
Oh my god.
No, don't. Bye, Noob. It was nice knowing you.
Shipping container!
Where? Oh. Oh no. That just grazed my forehead.
Dude, I just got hit.
What is happening right now?
I don't know, and I'm scared.
Am I the only one who has actually gotten to the top so far?
Yes.
Yes! That's a table!
Bye, Shedletsky.
I'm still alive!
Oh, that's a shipping container! Oh my god, please, let me, please, please. Shipping container. That's a shipping container. Fridge!
God damn it!
Dude, I was so close too!
Fluffy.
And I got hit!
Fluffy.
I got hit with the fridge and my ankles!
Look me in my eyes. Look me in my eyes. We need to lock in.
I don't even know what killed me! Oh my lord,
You just got a fridge to the back of your dome.